Hello everyone. Today I am going to start our next chapter. The name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. In this video, we will discuss factors, multiples, and perfect numbers. To understand the concept of factors, let's start with an example. Aniket and Anuj saw a pack of cards in their maths lab. The cards are numbered between 1 to 100. They drew 12 cards randomly. They decided to make different designs using the rows and columns of the cards without repeating the same pattern. They arranged the cards in the following way. If the number of rows is equals to 1 and there are 12 cards in a single row, so the total number of cards is 1 multiplied 12 is equals to 12. If the number of rows are 2 and in each row there are 6 cards, then the total number of cards is 2 multiplied 6 is equals to 12. If the number of cards in a row are 4 and the number of rows is 3, then the total number of cards are 3 multiplied 4 is equals to 12. Now count the number of rows in this. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So there are 4 rows. The total number of cards will be, in each row there are 3 cards. So 4 multiplied 3 is equals to 12. Now count the number of rows in this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of rows is 6. In each row there are 2 cards. So the total number of cards 6 multiplied 2 is equals to 12. So 12 can be written as a product of two numbers in different ways. 1 multiplied 12, 2 multiplied 6, 3 multiplied 4, 4 multiplied 3, 6 multiplied 2 and 12 multiplied 1. So these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, these numbers are known as factors of 12. These numbers are known as factors of 12. So definition of factors is: factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Remainder 0. 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3 and the remainder is 1. This means 2 is the factor of 10 but not of 7, because when we divide 7 by 2, it leaves the remainder 1. So factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Write all the factors of 100. 1 multiply 100 is equals to 100. 2 multiply 50 is equals to 100. 4 multiply 25 is equals to 100. 5 multiply 20 is equals to 100. 10 multiply 10 is equals to 100. So the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Based on these factors, let us understand about quick facts of factors. 1 is the factor of all natural numbers. 1 is the factor of all natural numbers. Every number is the factor of itself. Here 100 is having the factor itself 100. The factor of a number is always smaller or equal to the number. All the factors of 100 are smaller than 100 and only one factor 100 which is equal to 100. Since the factor is less than or equal to the number, so these are finite in numbers. It means the factors of any number can be counted. Multiples. A multiple of any number is a number formed by multiplying that number with another number. Example, 15 multiply 1 is 15, 15 multiply 2 is 30, 15 multiply 3 is 45, 15 multiply 4 is 60. This means the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. Based on this example, you can also learn about quick facts of multiples. Number 1, every number is a multiple of 1. Number 2, every number is a multiple of itself. 15 is multiple of itself. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. In the multiples of 15, every number is greater than 15 and only one number 15 which is equal to 15. Number 4, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. As we multiply 15 multiply by 5, the next multiple will be 75. 15 multiply 7 will be 105. So these may be go on. So multiples are infinite in numbers. Next topic, perfect numbers. A number is called a perfect number if it is equal to the sum of all its factors excluding itself. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sum of factors excluding 6. If we exclude the 6, the remaining factors are 1, 2 and 3. And if we add 1, 2 and 3, we will get 6 which is equal to the number 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Similarly, the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. The sum of the factors excluding 28. If we exclude 28, the remaining factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. And if we add 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14, we will get 28 which is equal to 28. So 28 is a perfect number. Thank you.